Hey friends, welcome back to another organizing video in this new year. I am going through a lot of places in my house and getting rid of stuff and just going through, cleaning it out, organizing, all that good stuff. So today is the day to master my closet. So if you're interested in coming along with me and seeing how I do this and all the stuff that I get rid of, just keep on watching. So I'm just starting out by going through, grabbing any dirty clothes, making a pile to throw those in the laundry. And then I'm just going through and kind of folding all my casual yoga pants, workout pants, that sort of thing. I try to keep stuff clean and clean as I go, fold and everything like that, but sometimes it's just easy to let things go and to just throw stuff in here. So that's kind of what's happened over the last couple months. So it was long overdue to just go through and reorganize, sort, kind of go through stuff, see what I wear, what I'm going to be wearing this upcoming season, and just purging some stuff. Next, just moving on to the little area where my jewelry is stored. Just kind of going through, seeing what I'm not using. I don't get rid of a whole bunch of stuff here, but there were some pieces of jewelry that were kind of old and yucky, and I just didn't wear that much anymore. So I did kind of go through and get rid of stuff. And it's funny when you go through stuff, you realize what you're holding on to. Here's just an empty box that I've had for at least a year now. And so crazy what you'll find. So for my jewelry, I just use this inexpensive organizer that I got from Walmart, and I just sort it by different types of earrings, like dangly, hoops, large earrings, small earrings, stuff like that. Makes it a little bit easier to find something when I know what I'm looking for. And then in the little jewelry containers outside of that, I have a little dish. Again, it has small pieces of jewelry that I wear a little bit more frequently that I'll change out. And then I've got that necklace hanger thing that I got at Ross, and I just hold my bracelets and my necklaces on there. I decided to move the little container that holds all my pants down by my undergarments. And now it's just time to go through all of my clothes. I had already started this process before I started filming, and I was just thinking, I should probably film one of these. I have a different one on my channel that I did. I usually try to go through my closet a couple times a year at least, if not each quarter. I love shopping secondhand, so I get a lot of stuff used at a discounted price, so I will go shopping a little bit more frequently and just change out my clothes. And so when going through my clothes, I'll just kind of hold it up, look at it, kind of think about it, like, am I going to wear this again? Do I like this enough to keep it? Would I buy it again? That sort of thing. Like that shirt right there I bought and I never even wore. As funny as that sounds, but it just wasn't my style. So going through stuff, just looking at it, giving it a second thought, it's kind of how I process it when I go to purge. Over here I keep a lot of my dress outfits, like that I wear to work meetings and stuff like that. Although that right there was an 80s shirt. I'm just holding on to that just in case, because who doesn't love the 80s, right? But yeah, so I don't get rid of hardly anything over there very often. I keep a lot of my tank tops on one hanger. I'll just kind of clump them together on either side of the hanger just to save space. So I've got my workout ones there, and then as you'll see a little bit farther down, I've got some of my other ones that I have. Then each season I just kind of shift around my clothes, and I try to keep out whatever season it is, like up in the front, up to the right up there, and then I'll move the other stuff down below where it was at. So this is the most satisfying part right here, guys, is just seeing all those empty hangers up there after going through and getting rid of a bunch of clothes. So now I'm just going through my work clothes. I have a lot of these long sleeve shirts during the winter that I wear underneath my scrubs, just because in the hospital, especially at night, it gets so cold. And I decided to put all my jackets up there on the top right section, just because I don't get to those each and every day, so I'm just storing those up and out of the way. And I decided to move my scrubs down there to the bottom, just so that way I can see the different kinds I have, because I tend to wear the same ones over and over. So this will just help me to see them better. So far this is the pile of clothes I have gone through that I'm going to get rid of. It's this huge stack right here. So what I'm going to do is see if some of my friends want it first, and then if not, then I take it to a secondhand store where they'll give me store credit, and then I donate the rest. So yeah, let's keep on going. So down there are just a couple of summer bags that I had in the hallway downstairs that I just decided to bring up here to store during the winter. Then when summer comes, I'll keep it underneath the stairs again. I'm just cleaning out the boys' Nintendo Switch. We had a bunch of items there, and now I'm just going to go through the little basket of my purses. Again, a lot of my purses I get secondhand, but some of them I do get new. So I'm just going through, seeing which ones I'm done using or not going to use. Some of these I forgot I actually even had, so I was quite surprised. I have no idea how all these crumbs got in here. It must have been from my purses, but anyway, just cleaning that out and then putting all my purses back in an organized fashion. Next up is tackling this organizer that is full of makeup. You guys, this is where I keep all of my backup makeup. I don't know if you guys have seen my master bath organizing video, but in it I did mention that I have some more makeup in my closet, and so this is it. And I have it all organized by like foundations, blushes, eyeshadows, everything like that. And I'm just going through and kind of, again, decluttering. I don't get rid of a whole lot, but I do wipe it down because it's super dusty. I don't think I've dusted this thing since we moved in our house about 2.5 years ago. So just doing that. Moving on to the next drawer, this is where I have all my blushes and highlighters. So again, I know I have like a ton of makeup, but you guys, I started watching YouTube back in like 2008 maybe, or 2009, and started out watching all those makeup YouTube videos and tutorials, and I'm a makeup freak anyway, but yeah, that just contributed to my problem. So I have a huge stash, and what's cool is I like to shop my stash. So if I get bored of the makeup I'm using, I'll just come in here and kind of switch things out. The next drawer here are all the eyeshadows and palettes and stuff. So I don't know if you can see there, I have a really old Wet n Wild palette. It's probably expired, as is a lot of this makeup, but I didn't get rid of as much of it as I probably should have, but that's alright. Again, I'm just kind of going through and cleaning and wiping it out. So I'll go through another time and really purge. My main thing was just doing my closet. This was just a little bonus for me because I've been needing to just wipe it down. These right here are NYX glitter eyeshadow things. They were so dried out, you couldn't even pick up any glitter. So yeah, those were getting tossed for sure. These next two drawers, I honestly didn't even feel like going through. And here's where I keep all my eye products, and then this is my lip product drawer. And then moving on down to the bottom, I was a subscriber to Ipsy at one point, so I have a whole bunch of like sample size products in one of the drawers, and I just put all my makeup bags and stuff in there. And then here's where I keep all my headbands. So just going through and kind of organizing them so that way the drawer can open and close a little bit easier. And this last drawer here is where I keep all my different scarves for my hair, and hair ties and clips and bandanas and all that good stuff. And this little piece right here broke. It used to have a little band on it, but I decided to keep it, and I think I'm gonna hot glue it to like a normal headband because I liked it so much. All these cute scarves that I get for my hair, I find at the Dollar Tree. I love these, they're so cute. Last but not least is vacuuming out my closet. So I'm just taking a little bit of this Arm & Hammer carpet deodorizer and freshening it up so it smells nice and clean in here. After vacuuming, I thought I was all done, but realized I did not go through and organize this shelf here with all of our jeans, so I just go through and refold so they look nice and crisp and clean. And that is it for this video, you guys. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this has motivated you to go through your closet and just go through and purge anything that you are no longer wearing. Go through, find anything that you can donate to friends or turn in for some extra cash. So I'm just going to take you through our closet really quick. We were able to move our new luggage up to the very top section there that we got for Christmas. The jewelry area, here's my undergarments and like exercise pants, and I did not need to get rid of any shoes down there. just taking a few close-up shots here. I moved all the luggage that was down on the floor up to the very top there. I have a ton of extra hangers now that I've gotten rid of a bunch of stuff. Got some costume jewelry back there. Again, that's something I could probably go through and get rid of quite a bit of that, but didn't really do that in today's video. And I was just able to move stuff around and make it a little bit more workable for me in this season. My bags that are all nice and tidy up there. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I would love it for you guys to join my channel and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone, have a great day.